The farm is unique in the sense that an urban farm in the middle of Silicon Valley still exists, and that we can introduce kids not only to where their food comes from, but also introduce them to what it takes to grow food. My name is David Tuttle. I'm the farm manager for the Santa Clara Unified School District. So the whole goal of this farm here is we want to have a farm-to-school program where we grow produce organically and sustainably, and we deliver it that same day. This type of model, we can change the way the kids eat, but also bring them out to the farm and show them, hey, this is where we cut your cauliflower, this is where we cut your broccoli, this is where your pumpkins come from, or your cucumbers. It's 5 acres. We're at 34,000 pounds of produce grown here and delivered so far to the school district.
At first, David grew everything. So after planning with David, we were able to come up with produce that we can utilize in our salad bars and in our cooking. So we've really gotten a better flow this year. My name is Chef Bob. I am the culinary supervisor here. We have a catering food truck specialist and 2 other chefs. I don't know of any district that has that much culinary background to help them produce a great menu. Per day, we serve around 7,500 and 8,500 lunch meals. Meatballs and pasta, roast chickens, butternut squash we get from the farm. We've diced that up and that goes into some pasta dishes and on the salad bar.
We're maybe perhaps removing a processed product and replacing it with something that is more along the plant-based menu.
When I first got to this program, most of the food was racked and packed and cooked in a convection oven. The ovens baked unevenly, you had to go in and rotate pans, and then you would always end up with some product overcooked and some underdone.
In 2009, my boss brought this little rationale into the kitchen. That was the first combi oven that I have ever seen.
We use quality products, but the oven helped us really bring out the quality in the food.
We get better color and texture on our food. It looks more pleasing to the kids.
When you come into our cafeteria here, we want to be able to serve you with a smile and give you a quality meal. Rationale Oven helps us do that by lowering our labor costs and giving us a quality food.
Wherever we have a Rationale oven, that's the oven we're using to cook all of our hot food, because it's more efficient, it doesn't break down as much. If I have any issue, I get an error code, I call one of our reps. He would at least tell me what's wrong with the oven. He tries to troubleshoot with me. They gave us plenty of support.
It's a self-cleaning oven, which in my mind is beautiful. And of course, the quality of the food that comes out of the oven.
And if you take care of it, it will last you a long time.